the last video session, we wrote this program. We even told you there is a small problem. The area underscore RST function is just displaying the area. It's not returning a value so that we can process it further. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session, and in this session we will learn how to return the value from the function. Just open our source code from our previous session. Look at this area underscore RST function. It accepts the input parameters, then calculates the area and prints the result. But what if we want to return the value? Instead of print, write a return statement and then the name of variable after space like this. While calling the function over here, we will capture the return value into the variable area. Then print the variable area. Now run the code. Enter the input 4 and 5. Well, we got the expected output. So, what's the benefit of returning a value? The benefit is we can use the value for further processing and reduce our line of code. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you want to calculate the volume of a rectangular box. The formula for calculating the volume of rectangular box is length into breadth into height. So for this, write an additional input statement to accept the height and convert that into float. If you look at this formula to calculate the volume, this part, that is length into breadth, is nothing but the area. So we will use this area underscore RST function to get the area of rectangle and then multiply it with height. Here we have the output in the area variable. In the next line, write volume equal to area into the height. Then print the variable volume. Run the code. Enter the 3 inputs. Well, we got the perfect output. To summarize, we can say function is a self-contained code that accepts the input parameter, processes the input and returns the data. We can call the function any number of times. In the most programming languages, return statement returns only one variable or one data. But in Python, this is not the case. Functions in Python can return multiple values. How? We will see that in the next session. Thanks.